Pricing amendments. It might be necessary to change the prices after the tender has been awarded, and the contracts have been agreed. This is done in the same way as during the negotiation phase. Open a pricing document, select the heading name, enter a price, and a pricing response, and click Save. The heading in the outline tree will change from red to black, with an under negotiation icon, for both the internal user and the vendor. The vendor now needs to log in and accept the amended price. When the vendor logs into iSpec, tenders that are being revised will be listed in the Outstanding Tasks section in the dashboard. Open the tender, and an alert icon will show next to the pricing document. The heading in the document will be highlighted red. Accept the revised price, and the heading will change to black, and the alert icon will disappear in the document list.